Hello everyone, good morning to everyone. My lovable students, I hope everyone is fit and fine and healthy, and I hope you utilize your vacations also, because we are meeting after a long back time. Okay dear, so now we have already finished, dear students, we have already finished up to exercise 2.5. we have already finished, and 2.6 also we finished some questions. Now before start the question exercise 2.6, we should know some points. Look at here, whenever in the last question we learned whenever we multiply the two decimal numbers, so how to multiply. Now how to multiply a number by how to multiply decimal number by 10, 100, any number, suppose 9745 into 1000, like this one. Okay, whenever we multiply any decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, so how to multiply? So look at here, we observe that we have two options. First is remove decimal into 10, 0 cancel 0, so how much remain? 29 minus 7. Same as it is dear here, 29745, remove decimal 1 2 3 4 and 30, 3 cancel 3, so how many 0? 1. So 2974 decimal 5. We observe that one thing is dear, if we multiply by 10, how many 0 in 10? 1. So it means whenever we multiply decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, if you are multiplying 10, how many 0 in 10? 1. So then product, the decimal is shift on right side. How many 0 in 10? 1. So it after 1 day. So here after 1 day. So 29.7. Understand? Next is dear, when we multiply this number by 1000, how many 0 in 1000? 3, and we are multiply. So whenever we multiply a decimal number by 1000, how many 0 in 1000? 3. So therefore decimal is shift 3 point on right side. So 1 2 3, so decimal will come here to here. So 2974.5. Understand dear? So we can solve by directly also. Understand or not? One more example dear. Look at, if I write direct 0.05 multiply by 10. So we know how many 0 in 10? 1. So it means decimal is shift 1 digit on right side. So it means 0 to here. So 0.5. So you can write 0.05. Otherwise you will solve it 0. So remove decimal, how many? 100 into 10, 0. So it is 0.5. Understand? So only one thing you have to remember dear, when a decimal number is multiplied 10, 100, 1000, then digit in the product are same. Digit is same, so 5 is as it is here. When we multiply, how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digit is already, but our product in the is same in the decimal number. Digit will be same, but you have to think, you have to remember only one thing. What is? But the decimal point, this is decimal point, in the product is shifted to right. Always remember, whenever a decimal number is multiplied, so always decimal is shift on right side. As many as places there are 0. How many zeros? 1 0. So decimal is shift 1 point. How many 0? 3. So decimal is shift 3 digit. Understand? Only so remember it, note down it. Now we will start our question dear. Please note down it. So now dear, question number 3. Always remember this formula is applied whenever we are multiply by 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000. Okay. So what is first part here? 1.3 into 10. So what we will do? We observe that how many 0 in 10? 1. So therefore decimal is shifted on right side. How many digit? 1 digit. So we will write there is we will write always there is 1 0 in 10, therefore decimal shift to right, decimal is shift to right side on at 1 digit, at a 1 digit. How many? 1 digit. So it means after 1 digit, so decimal is come 1.3 into 10, so it means it will come here. So it means we will write 13.0. What is answer? 13.0. So 13.0 means 30. Understand here? Or we can solve by like this one also. 1.3 into 10. Remove decimal, 10 into 10. 10 cancel 10. How much? It is 30. Understand? How many 0? 1. So therefore decimal is shift 1 digit. Understand? Same as it is fifth part. So we will write. First we write there are 2 zeros in 100. So therefore decimal is shift on right side, always on right side, at 2 digit, So we will write, but you will say, sir, here is only 31.1 into 100, but here is, sir, only 1 digit. So it means first we will write 31 and 1 digit is 1, but here we need one more digit. So we will write 0, then we will write decimal into 0, because decimal is shift 2 digit. So 1 is this one, and next is we will add 0 and 0.0. So what is 31.10? Or we can find like this one, remove decimal, 10 into 30 into 100, 31 point. So this one 0 cancel 0, that is 311. It is our answer. Understand? So if you know how many 0, so we can shift easily. Okay, one more part is last part here, rest of you have to do yourself. Now 12 part again. 12 part, it's what is 12 part? 0.03 into 1000. Okay, so there is 30 in 1000. So therefore decimal 30 is so therefore decimal shift to right side at 3 digit. So 3 digit 0.03. So it means into 1000. So it means 3 digit. 1, 2, 3 and 1 0. So 0, 0, 3, 1, 2 and again 0.0. So it is 30. How much? 30. Otherwise we can do by this method. Remove decimal, 3 by 100 into 1000. 20 cut by 20. 3 into 10, 30. So it is your answer. So it is very simple, dear. You can do yourself. Next is fourth question, dear. Now, dear, question number 4. In the question number 4, we have given a two-wheeler cover a distance 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter. So in 1 liter, two-wheeler can cover 55.3 kilometer. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter? It's very simple. If I say you, if cost of one book is 5 rupees and cost of 2 book 2 into 5, 10 rupees. Same as it is. Distance covered by two-wheeler in 1 liter. It is. And how many total? Fuel. 10 liter. So distance covered by the two-wheeler in 10 liter. So multiply by 10. And again we observe that how many 0 in 10? 1. So decimal is shift in multiplication on right side. So you can write direct 553.0 kilometer. So 55 into 3 kilometer. It is your answer. So please So our exercise 2.6 is also finished here. So please note down this question. Now dear, exercise 2.7. In exercise 2.6, we learn how to multiply a fraction and a number. Now we will learn how to divide a fraction by a number. Look at here. 4.4. How can we write? 4 upon 10. Remove the decimal and divide 2. And everyone know in the fraction chapter in class 6, we have already learned how to find reciprocal. Whenever we change the divide in multiplication, always we will write it's a second number reciprocal. So we will write, first we will write reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Reciprocal means numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. So 5 upon 3 reciprocal, 3 upon 5. Reciprocal of 4, 4 means 4 upon 1, it's a 1 upon 4. Same as it is, reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. So 4 upon 10, and whenever we change divide in multiplication, always we will write it's a reciprocal. 1 upon 2 d. Understand? 2 cancel 2. 2 upon 10, and 2 upon 10 means 0.2. What is its answer? 0.2. Understand here? Or otherwise you can solve directly also dear. Or 0.4 divide 2. How many decimal after? How many digit after? Decimal 1. And in downside there is no decimal. Therefore, when we divide 4 divide by 2, and we need how many decimal? 1 decimal. Understand? Because after decimal how many is here also 0.2. One more thing. Next is dear. Next is third part. 2.48 divide upon 4. Understand here? So we will write 2.48 100 divide 4. So we will write reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. 2.48 divide by, remove decimal, okay, 100 and change in multiplication. So 1 upon 4. So it is 4 6 are 2. So 62 by 100, 0.62 answer. Otherwise dear, you can find like this one. 248 divide upon 4. How many after decimal? How many digit? 2. Therefore, we will divide by number. We will write a number whose after decimal is 2 digit. So divide 24 divide by, it is 6 and 2. So after decimal 2 digit. 4.62. Understand? But it is better. You will do like this. Okay. So first question all part you can do. So you can solve yourself like this one. Understand dear? Note down it dear please. Now dear, fifth question of the first part. Fifth question, first part. 7 divide 3.5. So what we will write? 7 divide. Always remove decimal. 35 divide by 10. So what we will do? We will change divide in multiplication. So we need reciprocal. So we will write reciprocal of 35 by 10 is 10 upon 30. Always we will take the reciprocal of the second. Okay. Next is 7 multiply 10 upon 35. So it means 70 upon 35. 5 7 are 5 10. 5 sorry, it is 1 4. It is 7 2. So what is your answer? Answer is 2. Understand dear? It is our answer 2. Understand? Or you can find by 7 divide upon 3.5. So remove decimal 10. So 10 goes on upside. Understand dear? So 7 into, because it's 10, when we remove decimal we go on numerator. So 35. Like this one also you can solve it here. Okay. Next is here one more part. It's which one? It's part number fourth part. 30.94 divide 0.7. Divide it. So we will write first. We will remove decimal. 30,094. Remove decimal 100 and divide 7 upon 10. So how will we solve it? We will write its reciprocal. So we will write reciprocal of 7 upon 10 is 10 upon 7. So 3094 divide by 100 multiply by 10 upon 7. 0 cancel 0. 7 for the 28. 7 for the 28. Next 7 2 ja. So 442 divided by 10. How many 0? 1. Which means 44.2. It is our answer. Understand here? Otherwise, you can solve by this method also. 39.4 divide 0.7. 39 point. So it is 0.7. So what we will do? First thing, when we remove this decimal, so it is come on downside. The decimal of numerator is the decimal. When we remove the decimal of numerator, it's become denominator into 100. And what is 0.7? So we remove in numerator. Same as it is here. Understand or not? So it's very simple. Same as it is. You can do yourself. Okay. Please note down dear. Now dear, whenever we are dividing a decimal number, not multiply, divide. Okay. In the exercise 2.7, 2.6, we are multiplying. We were multiplying, but now dividing. So in the whenever we multiply, the decimal is shift on right side. But when a decimal is divided by 10, 100 or 1000, then decimal is shifted to the left side. If we are dividing on left side and if we are multiplying, then right side. You can check it also. 2497 100 divide 10. Write the reciprocal it. So what is 9700 into 1 by 10. So it is become 2497 divided by 1000. So it's mean how many 0? 3. So 2.497. So how many 0 in 10? 1. So decimal is shifting and we are dividing on left side. So it is come here. So 2.497. So same as it is here. If we will divide by 100, so we will write 2497 by 100 into 1 by 100 or not. Right? It's reciprocal. How many 0? 4. So 0.2497. How many 0? 2. 2 0 in 100. So it is will come here. 0.2497. It's very simple. Only you have to remember, if we are multiplying, then right side, and if we are dividing, it is left side. So note down it dear, please dear. Now dear, question number 2, third part. Solve it. We can solve by any method. Okay. Other we object that if we are dividing by 10, so we will write first same as it is. There are 1 0 in 10, therefore decimal is shifted to left side at 1 digit. So we will write, so therefore 0.7 divided by 10, so it is will come here. So it means 0.07. Otherwise, you can solve by this method also dear. 0.7 divided by 10. 7 upon 10 divide 10. reciprocal of 10, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10. So 7 by 100. So 20 after decimal 2 digit 0.07. Understand? So same all other parts of the second question. In the all parts we are dividing by 10. So we will follow same method. Understand? Understand or not? So which one part? If you want to ask, suppose you want to ask fourth part. 33.1 divide by 10. So same process we will follow it. There are 1 0 in 10. It is set on left side. 1 digit. So it will come here. So 3.31. Very simple dear. Now third question. Here we are dividing by 100. So we will write. So there are 2 0 in 100. Therefore decimal is shifted to left side at 2 digit. So it will come here. So 4.32. Otherwise you can solve by this method also. Divide by 10 and write reciprocal of 100. Understand? Same as it is dear. You can do fourth question also. In fourth also we are dividing by 1000. It's very simple dear. Understand? Now last question, question number 6. Now dear, last question. It is very important question also. A vehicle covers a distance. How much distance cover? 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liters. How much cover in 1 liter? It is very simple dear. Like this one, if I say you, cost of 5 pen is 10 rupees, is 20 rupees. Anything you can take, okay? Cost of 10 pen is 20 rupees. How much cost of 1 pen? So cost of 1 pen, how much? 20 divided by 10, how much? 2 rupees. Same as it is. First we will find how much distance covered by vehicle in 2.4 liter. It is how much already given? 43.2. Same as it is. Distance covered by vehicle in 1 liter. So we will write it is 43.2 divide upon 2.4. Divide 2.4. So what we will write? So 43.2. Remove decimal of this one. It is 10. Now multiply what is 2.4. And when we remove the decimal of 2.4, it is become on, goes on numerator. Okay. Not 10 cancel 10. So it's become, you will cut yourself. Okay. 432 divided by 24. 3 8 jar. 3 1 jar. 3 4 jar. 4 jar. 8 1 jar. 8 and 8 8 jar. So how much distance covered in 1 liter? 18 kilometer. Otherwise dear, you can solve by this method also. 43.2 divide 2.4. So 43 divide by 10 and it's change. We will change 10. 2.4 divided by 10. 43 divided by 10. Write its reciprocal 10. When we change divide in multiplication, what we will do? It's a reciprocal. 10 cancel 10. Again it is. Understand dear? So dear, we have already finished our second chapter. Understand? Please note down it and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.